Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 e-bike hub motor. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is XF5K electric bike rear drive motor. Specifications: brand name, Little TT. Motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is MX-US brand electric bike motor. Specifications: brand name, Little TT. Motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Power, 3000 watts. Speed, 55 to 70 kilometers per hour. Installation location, rear wheel. Wheel diameter, 20 to 28, 29-inch 700C. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected Bafang G060 G062 Fat Bike Free Hub. Specifications: wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is Z-Make e-bike motor. Specifications: brand name, Z-Make. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Bafang RM-H550 G062. Specifications: brand name, Bafang. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.